All right.
Well, guys, it's the end of an era. The truck is cleaned out, and I'm done.
What up, what up, what up, boss up, baby. We back with another one, a great reaction video this time. We're going to react to a couple of videos I found online about truckers quitting the industry. Yes, we talk about, the courier apps, the gig routes, cargo vans, box trucks, but don't really talk about the big rigs and the 18-wheelers, but that industry is taking a hit, especially with, earlier in 2024, with the ports closing, the threats of ports closing, tariffs, not enough stuff is coming into the country, stuff's getting held up at the ports, at the borders, or not even allowed to come into the country at all. Gas prices increase, go up and down. Interest rates on getting these trucks and financing these trailers and financing these trucks and everything are going up and up and every day. That's why I stress you guys on my credit channel and on this channel to get that credit right and use your business credit to purchase these vehicles. That way, something happens, you have to quit. You don't take a hit on the personal side. But let's go ahead, take a look at these videos real quick and react to them and see what's going on in these people's lives. You did?
Well, guys, it's the end of an era. The truck is cleaned out, and I'm done.
She's done. She had enough. He is no longer interested in being in this trucker game. I know, and he also mentioned in the video that a lot of brokers are going out of business as well. So not a lot of people are finding these loads, and not a lot of people are finding the routes any longer because they're not profitable. They can't make any money. The drivers want too much. The loads not paying. So there's no room in the middle. So the brokers, basically the middleman, are not paying out as much any longer.
All right, y'all. So let me tell y'all about one of my last loads with Dollar General and why I decided to leave over the road trucking.
Gonna come a time when you out here and you're gonna be like, man, I'm done.
Man, I mean, these guys are had it enough. Dollar General, I see Dollar General stores all over the country, and he's fed up. I know he's making good money. I see it's a Dollar General down the street from me, and that place, it's a truck in the parking lot every day. They bringing in new shipments and stuff every single day, seems like. So I know the money has to be good, but it has to be more stress to it. You're probably overworking them. Like I said, that truck is a truck in that parking lot every single day.
I've come to the realization that the trucker lifestyle isn't for me.
Now, look, my truck, the engine blew up in the truck. So it's over with for that truck. Over with. Now, I couldn't go get another truck right now. I don't want to.
Yeah, that's the main thing that I'm seeing. Like once that truck goes down, once that vehicle, these guys cannot recover. The maintenance on these trucks is expensive. The overhead, the constant maintenance, the oil changes, new tires. If a major part breaks on these trucks, that's $5,000 on up to get it repaired. These guys can't recover. So everybody I know who had a truck and once it went down, they could not get it back up again.
So my experience working in the trucking industry is that it's not worth it.
For the 100th time, the reason why I stopped driving trucks was because it was depressing.
Oh, that's okay. That's one thing we really don't talk about that much. Is it depressing? Is it, going over the road, being away from your family so much, not, having friends, not having someone close to talk to you face to face, unless you have a partner driving with you, you're over the road, you're eating unhealthy. I can definitely see why it can get depressing going to different states, the cold, the hot, not getting good night's rest in those vans. I can see the, it being sad and depressing at times. Let's get back into it.
I quit. Yep. Finally fucking quit. Sad to say today, I'm done with trucking. I quit with this company. I'll make another video on why I quit with them, but that ain't for this video, but I'm done.
Well, guys.
All right, so that's it, man. That's, this is a quick compilation. If you see people quitting, all of these videos came from 2025. So we only, 3 months in, and people are fed up with the trucking industry. I'm sure we're going to see a lot more of these videos. I'm going to cover a lot more reaction videos that I'm finding online from transportation industry on this channel. And then if you want to get more information about building business credit, getting business credit, getting your personal credit back on track, hop on over to Credit K, my Credit K channel. And, that's where I'm at. You can find me, ask me any questions, credit related, business credit related, help you get a vehicle and all that good stuff. All right. And then if you want to book a consultation, you can easily book a consultation with me at creditk.com. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment, and then drop a comment about where you are watching this video at. So the more places and the more people I see in different areas, the more places I can find work and find courier routes and find things to do and side hustles in your area. So comment down below, hit that like and subscribe. We're going to